Unique recipe on the bottom of the glass. Lolita glasses are mouth-blown and handcrafted. Recommended hand wash only. Beautiful branded gift box. This glass is so smoking hot, a cloud of perfumed smoke appears every time the box opens. It's sure to impress as a Valentine's Day present or gift for someone extra special. Designed by the U.S. artist Lolita, each glass is hand-blown and painted using food-grade non-toxic paint to create their stunning designs. Each Lolita wine glass comes packaged in a branded gift box with an individual wine cocktail recipe on both the bottom of the glass and box. Recommended hand wash only, not suitable for the dishwasher. Please note that unique variations should be expected as the product is hand-decorated. Top reviews from the United States. Stunning. This wine glass is stunning and brilliant. Everyone sees it and starts asking about it. It is studded with beautiful colors.